Hi, this is Oka from MagLoft. Welcome to another Universal App onboarding video. In this video, we will be looking at the content menu. That's the third one on the list. If the branding menu is where you put your magazine's identity or brand, the content menu is where you get the content. So in the content menu, you will see the articles, collections, import PDF, categories, and classifications sub-menus. Let's look at articles now. So in the articles submenu, you will be able to manage your current articles, or you can create a new article. So you can have a standalone article between your issues if you need to keep your readers engaged, and you can manage them all from here. So you will be able to see the current SEO score, the publishing date, the unlock type, and then actions. You can set it as a trending article. You can share the article. You can open the MagLoft editor to edit your articles, or you can edit the form, or you can delete the article. Let's click on it. So this is editing the form. You can edit the title and then the cover image for your article. You can edit the publishing date here, or delete it to make it unpublished. And then the slug of your article can also be edited here. The slug would be the URL, the back of the URL that appears on the search bar of your browser. So the easier it is to remember the slug, the better it would be for the SEO. For example, if the article slug is a lot of numbers like this, it would be difficult to remember. But if your article slug is something like table of content, it would be easy to remember that the address on the browser search bar. Now you can edit the article description here. You can choose categories for your article. You can choose the unlock type for articles. We have free, classification, free lead magnet, and opt-in. So you will be able to see the different unlock types and what they do. Choose the one that's best suited for your needs. Now, if the article is linked to your collections or issues, you can show it in the table of content, or you can hide it. Now, with each article, you will be able to edit the SEO information as well, like the keyword phrase, the keyword that you want to rank on search engine results, and the meta description as well. So this is for HTML documents. And you can edit it, and then if you start typing, it will show you how many characters you will need at least. And there will also be some recommendations here for the best SEO results. So you can take a look at this and then make sure that your articles rank high. And please note that it would be best for the free unlock type if you want to rank it high on the search engine, because if it is locked behind a gate, search engine would not be able to find it easily. Right, so that's the article. Let me discard the changes, and then you can go back to the previous menu using this one, the button here, and then you can see the other articles here. Let's see this one article with a 70 out of 100 SEO score. So I gave a keyword phrase here, a good one. And then the slug is also okay instead of random numbers, but it can be increased further. All right. Now let's move on from the articles. I almost forgot. So by default, it will show you 10 articles. But if you have a lot of articles, you can make it to show 100 or more, and you can filter to find the articles that you are looking for. All right. And the next one, we have collection. So this is the issue. We call it collection because it is a collection of articles, right? So this is where you manage your issues. You can create new ones, and then you can also share it. You can duplicate your issues or collections. You can open it on a MagLoft editor, and then you can edit the form as well and delete it if needed. So if you duplicate your issues, it will be called copy of something by default. Okay, so let me edit the form. All right, so the collection or the issue also has a slug that you can uh, determine or customize. And as usual, the easier to remember, the better it is for SEO ranking. And then for your issue, you can, if it has a PDF link to it, you can check this option to allow readers to download the PDF. If it is not enabled, readers won't be able to download the PDF. And if it does not have any PDF, this option won't be available either. You can add the description, you can choose the categories. You can have multiple categories for one issue. And you can choose the unlock type. It can be free, classification, opt-in, paid, and subscribe. If you notice, paid and subscribe right now are grayed out. It means I cannot choose them. That's because I have not connected my payment account yet. Once you've connected your payment account, usually with Stripe or another third-party provider, it will be these two options will be available for you to use. And you can see the articles that are linked to your collection here at the bottom. Right now, there is only one for me. And then this article is also free. You can edit the article form here, or you can unlink the article if you don't want this article to show up in this collection. You can also drag and move it up or down. If you have multiple articles here, there should be a button to move it up or down. If you scroll down, there's also a coupon linked to this issue. For the coupon, I'll give you more explanation in the next menu. In the next video, because that is linked to the next menu item we will be looking at. And then for the issue, you also have the SEO information to make it more SEO friendly, or to make it rank higher. But usually it is more important for the SEO on the article level if you want to make it rank higher on search engine result pages. All right, so that's the collection. And then the next one is import PDF. So if you create your articles or issues using our editor, it will be an HTML file by default, so it won't be a PDF. But if you have PDF and then you want to convert it to HTML, you can use the import PDF feature here. So you can upload the new PDF and then you can choose the conversion type, whether it's the basic conversion, which is done automatically and it takes roughly 24 hours to convert a PDF into HTML. Or you can choose the professional conversion service, which is done by our designer. As for the specific rates, you can contact me at support@magloft.com if you are interested. So that's where you import your PDF files. For the basic conversion, it's $1 per page. It shows the price if you upload the PDF. All right. And the next one is categories. This is where you set up your categories. And right now I have a few here. So you can create new one, filter it, move it up or down, or edit the form. You can set pictures for each category as well, and then set the slug. You can set the color. Why? Because the categories will also have their own pages. So, for example, if you go down here to the footer menu, this is my example publication. You can see the categories, and then there you go. You can see all the articles linked or the issues linked in this category, and then there will be a picture for your category. There will also be the slug at the search bar at the top. If you don't set up any picture, it will take a default picture from one of your content here. All right. So that's the category. And then the last one is classification. So what's a classification? This is basically for you to unlock your content behind a certain mechanism or certain gate. For example, you can set only people who log in who can access this collection, or you can also set only certain readers who can read certain collections. For example, collection A, and then the reader can only be, for example, A at magloft.com. So this is how you give like a third layer of locking mechanism for your content. All right, so that's the content menu. As usual, if you have any questions, feel free to contact us. I'll see you again in the next video. Bye bye.